Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you all in App 6 Virtual School Math class for 7th standard. Students, here is your textbook, New Secondary Mathematics Students Course Book 2, page numbers 4 to 6. And today we will discuss chapter number 1, Direct and Inverse Proportion, in which we are going to study the very first topic, direct proportions. Resources required are book page numbers 4 to 6, notebooks, stationery, mobile and internet connection. Students, this lesson will deal with direct proportions, use of proportion in our daily life, an equation used for direct proportion. Let's begin the class with mental maths activity. Here's the first question. If a dress cost is $75, find the cost of 4 such dresses. Yes. What could be answer? Yes, it is $300. Alright. The next question is, cost of one packet of pencils is $180 and there are 15 pencils in a packet. So what is the cost of one pencil? Quickly calculate the answer. Yes, the answer is $12. Alright students, objectives of today's class are, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain the concept of direct proportion using table and equation, use direct proportion in our daily life, and solve exercise 1A, question number 2, question number 5, and question number 6. Let's investigate. Students, in Singapore, if we borrow books from public library and are late in returning the books, we will be fined 15 cents per day for each overdue book. Here I just want to discuss one point. Here, cent